Hey everyone, it's AppTap.
Here is how you can create a Facebook page. First, open the Facebook application on your Android or iPhone. If you are using a computer, go to facebook.com. Once Facebook opens, tap the three lines menu. Here you will see different shortcuts. Look for the option called Pages. If you don't see it right away, tap See More to expand the list. Then select Pages. This section shows any pages you already manage. To create a new one, tap Create. Now enter a name for your page. Type whatever name you want, then tap Next. Next, you will be asked to select a category. Search for something that matches your page. If the exact category does not appear, choose something similar. Once you have selected a category, tap Done, then tap Create. Facebook will now begin creating your page. After the page is created, you will see option to continue setting it up. You can add a bio, website, email address, phone number, and other details. You don't have to fill everything right now. You can tap next to skip these steps. You will also get the option to upload a profile picture and a cover photo. You can add them now or skip and update them later. Continue tapping next until you reach the end. Then tap done. And that's it. Your Facebook page will be created. You will notice the page starts with 0 likes and followers, and you can begin customizing it however you like.
If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.